All right, good job. Let's do exercise 7.2, integration. Okay. So this is integral 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. So we are discussing and trying to do this on the basis of integration on the basis of substitution. Okay. Fine. So how we will do it? So we will imagine 1 plus x square is equal to t. Now what is the integration of this? 2x. Then we'll attach
हाँ
with this is equal to dt. Right?
dt
This is how
हाँ
we.
जी सर
Now this thing becomes, this thing becomes,
dt upon t
this becomes 2x dx becomes dt, dt by t. All right. dt by dt by t. Okay, ji. So
हाँ जी सर
equal to very simple. This is log
हाँ
1
जी
plus t plus c, constant of integration. Now replace back what was t? T was
1 plus
1
x
plus x squared plus c. Beautiful. That's great. Similarly, we'll do second sum. He says log of x whole square, log of x whole square divided by x. We want to integrate this dx. So, yes, Kishore, can you guess what should we do? Let, and now what is the hint here? Uh, let that function be equal to t. Number one, which is difficult to integrate. Number two, the other quantities available in the expression should be the differentiation of that. Got it? Should be
हाँ
now,
जी सर
we let log x is equal to t. Obviously, the differentiation of log x is 1 by x
1 by x
dx would be equal to dt. So that means this entire dx by
हाँ
x
जी
be considered to be equal to dt. So this becomes beta. What? This becomes t square dt. Very simple, right?
हाँ जी सर
Is equal to what is the integral t square dt? Now we know this
t
formula.
cube by 3
Correct. Beautiful. D cube by 3 plus c. Done it. Beautiful. That's great. Now let's do some more sums. Like 1 by x plus x log x. Right? So we have integration 1 by x plus x log x. So think, Gujot, what can we do? So
log x
not log x, you see, because if we say log x is equal to t, so we will get 1 by x. So 1 by x we are not able to see here. So what we do, see here, why not we take x common and we take 1 plus log x. Now it makes sense. What should we imagine? If you imagine 1 plus log x is equal to t, obviously derivative of 1 is 0. Right? Good job.
हाँ जी
1
हाँ जी हाँ जी
log x is equal to t. Tell me the next step.
1 by x is equal dx is equals to dt
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And that's what we have here. So this becomes equal to what?
dt by t
dt by t. So it's all done. That is equal to log modulus t plus constant of integration. Replace back. Please tell what is that?
log of
1 plus
log 1 plus log x
1 plus log x plus c. Beautiful.
c
Done. Yeah, let's do more sums. And let's go for, little difficult sums. Okay. So see that now we have integral sine of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b, right? Dx. Am I right?
हाँ जी सर
Right. So here, first we should, kind of simplify this. Like, Gujot, sine of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b can be written as, let me multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So this becomes 2 sine ax plus b into cos ax plus b. So can you tell what is this? It's like 2 sine a cos a, and that is equal to, Gurjot, can you tell what is this equal to? 2,
Sir, sine A plus B minus.
no. This is equal to, this will be equal to, tell me, 2 sine a cos a is equal to sine 2a. Very simple formula. 2 sine a cos a is equal to sine 2a. Remember? So this will be equal to sine 2 of, what is a? A is ax plus b. Ax plus b. Am I right? And let this 2 be here only, divided by 2. Am I right? So now we will let what is good, Jod?
Uh,
Now we will let 2
AX plus B,
into
2A.
this entire thing. This entire thing
हाँ
we
जी.
will let as t2 into ax plus b is equal to t. Please differentiate this. So this becomes 2 into a, right? Into differentiation of b is 0 into dx
0
is equal to dt.
DT.
So see that we will be able to do something. So now this becomes this integration given in left hand, this becomes equal to what? Can you tell? This becomes equal to sine of 2 into ax plus b is equal to t. So it becomes sine t, right?
हाँ जी sir.
Sine t into, tell me, sine t. So dx is equal to dt divided by 2a, right? So this will be sine t divided by dx
2A.
by 2a, right? 1 by 2 we can take outside, this 1 by 2, right? This I am taken outside, right? So sine, as this is sine t, and differential of this is 2a dx. So dx is equal to dt by 2a. So that dx was here now. When I integrate this dx, this 2 becomes outside, dx becomes equal to dt by.
अगर फिर D last step से DT आएगा ना,
Oh,
DT by 2A.
so sorry. I'm so sorry. It will be dt. Definitely t, because I have transformed the whole function from x into t. Obviously, this will be tt. Differential will not be dx. So this will be what? So this will be, now we know integral sine t is equal to, tell me, what is integral sine t? Integral sine t is find out
Uh,
that function whose derivative is sine t. That is minus cos t. Minus cos t. Okay, right? Plus c. But here we are getting 2a is constant. So 2a will multiply with 2 becomes 1 by 4a, right? So this is equal to, it's gone, 1 by 4a into minus cos what? What is t? What is t?
2AX plus
2 into ax plus b. Right? Beautiful. We got the answer. Plus constant of integration c. So like that, simple tricks and this thing. So we could do a lot of sums, So let's do more also. Now it says integral ax plus b, sixth sum, under root dx. So obviously we can imagine what? Let ax plus b is equal to t. Now Gurjot, tell me the next step. Do the integration. So this will
A
be
is equal A dx is equals to dt.
beautiful, beautiful. So this becomes equal to what? This becomes equal to
Uh, dt by A.
not dt by a. We have imagined ax plus b is
T
equal
dt
to
by
t. So it will be under root t. What is the value for dx?
dt by
dt by
dt by A.
beautiful. So this will be equal to 1 by a integral t raised to power 1 by 2 dt. I use that formula. Integral x raised to power n dx is equal to x raised to power, tell me, n plus
N plus 1.
divided by n plus 1 plus c. So it will be 1 by a into t raised to power 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 by 3
2.
by 2 plus c. Please tell me the next step. So this will be 2 divided by 3a
2 by
t
3A.
raised to power 3 by 2. And
T
what is
raised
t?
to
T is ax plus b whole raised to power 3 by
3
2
by 2.
plus c. Beautiful. Very nice. Okay. So now similarly, you can do x into x plus 2. Okay. Here you will imagine x plus 2 is equal to t. Okay. Then try to do that.
ठीक है जी.
So I will do the next one. X plus 1 by 2. This is simple. I'm sorry. 1 plus 2x square under root into x. How we will do this? Can you make a guess? Let 1 plus
2 plus
2x
2x
square is
square.
equal to t. Tell me the next step. 4. Tell me, differentiate 2x square. 4x dx is equal to dt. Right?
dt.
So this becomes equal to, tell me, please tell me. So dx is equal to
dt by 4x.
dt by 4x. Am I right?
हाँ जी सर.
dt by 4x, 4x, x will cancel. So this will be 1 by 4 integral under root t dt. Is it right?
हाँ जी सर.
Do you agree? Then I go further. So it's now
Yes sir.
simple. 1 by 4 t raised to power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. That's all. So this is equal to 1 by 6, 1 plus 2x square whole raised to power 3 by 2 plus c. Am I right, Gurjot?
Yes sir.
Beautiful. That's great. Let's do more sums. Okay. So now I give you a hint and you do it yourself. 4x plus 2 into x square plus x plus 1 under root dx. Now what will you let here? What will you imagine here, Gurjot?
X square plus
Just like
x
more
plus
complex,
1.
now better, yeah, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t. So what will be next step?
2x plus 1 is
Plus
equal
1
dx is equal to dt.
x is equal to dt. Now you got the idea what we will do here? We will take 2 as common.
Yes sir. 2 common.
It will become 2x plus 1. Try to reduce
1.
the other expression in terms of derivative of this and then you can do. Very good. Okay. Now how will you do this? Good job. Integral 1. You may refer to this video again, good job, if you want. 1 by x minus x under root dx. Can you make a guess?
Sir, root x.
Okay, so maybe you
X
can do
minus root x.
maybe you can do like that also, but then try this way. So it will be very easy. We can write it as x is equal to root x into root x. Am I right? So
Yes
take
sir.
root x common, then what will be inside? Root x minus
Root x minus 1.
dx. And now you take root x minus 1 is equal to t common because now this 1 by root x you will get in the expression. Then proceed further. Okay. Now you can do
Okay.
it. Now you can do it. Okay. Let's do more. Now integral x cube minus 1 whole raised to power 1 by 3 into x raised to power 5. Yes, Gurjot?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we can do straight away x cube minus 1. This is the most complex part now. X cube minus 1 whole raised to power cube
Mhm.
root of this will be difficult. So better imagine this as t. Next step 3
3x square dx is
is
equals to dt.
equal to dt. Beautiful. So now this will be reduced to, tell me, this will be reduced to
T
t,
raised to power 1 by 3.
t cube root, correct? Yeah, into, tell me, you have x square.
Into,
Can you get x square from this?
yes, sir.
I can get, and this can be
Into
written
2 by 5.
cube into x square dx. Then, yes, Gurjot. Now what we will do?
Yes, sir. dt by 3
Dx is equal to dt by 3x square. So this will be what?
x cube into
Hmm. Right, right,
uh,
right.
x cube into dt by 3x square into x square.
Okay. Now, how are you going to convert it into entirety and get rid of x? Okay, don't
Sir,
do.
x cube no t plus 1 लिख देंगे.
Beautiful. You got it. Intelligent guy. Very good. You got it. X cube is t plus 1. From here, we got this. Very good.
Yes.
Only thing is the trick is whatever is remaining, try to arrange that remaining in terms of derivative of this. T plus 1, tell me, into,
Into dt by 3x square into x square.
yeah, so that will be dt by 3.
Yes.
Right? Now you can proceed further. Let's do more. Want that maybe you can finish this exercise. I'll be happy. Okay, you can do the next one. You can do the next one also. Yeah, x by, let's do this one. Integral x divided by 9 minus 4x square dx. Yes. Yeah. Think how we can do this. This is little
9 minus 4x square.
okay. Suppose we take 9 minus 4x square is equal to t. You see, we will, what we are getting? We will get
Minus 8x.
minus 8x dx is equal to dt. Is it
Yes,
right?
sir.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Let's write this way. So this will be equal to what? This will be equal to what? This will be equal to
dt by 8
x
t.
dx is minus 1 by 8 can be taken outside. Am I right? Minus
Yes, sir.
x dx is equal to dt divided by
By t.
t. Very good. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right? For x squared 9 minus, correct. So this is equal to minus 1 by 8 log
Log of mod of t
plus
mod
t. So this is equal to minus 1 by 8 log
log
log of
9 minus 4x square mod.
9 minus 4x squared plus c. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You can do this sum by other way also. You can just try to do like this also. Log x is equal to t. Think about this. How can I do it? Okay. So
Yes, sir.
statement is this 1 by x log x raised to power m. I'm talking about next sum. Next sum. x log x raised to power m dx. Imagine log x is equal to t. You will be able to this one also. Okay. Then I think you can do a lot of sums. Huh? Okay. So
Yes, sir.
let me try to do one more and then I'll leave it to you. So how will you do this? Integral sine inverse x divided by 1 minus x square. You know, Gurjot, here you could easily do this sum. They're very simple. If you know the integral of sine inverse x, you know, then tan inverse x and all the inverse functions. If you know, then you'll be able to do these sums very easily. So here I'll tell you, here I'll take sine inverse x is equal to t. If I differentiate this, it will become 1 by, do you know, 1 minus
Yes,
x
sir.
square under root dx is equal to dt.
DT.
Am I right?
Yes,
So then you'll be able
yes,
to
sir.
solve this. Okay. So I wish you all the
Thank
best. And I feel that you'll be able to solve most of the exercise. Try some tricks and this thing. And tomorrow, whatever you're not able to do, we'll do. Okay. I wish you all the best.
Okay, sir.